Okay, hello everyone. So today we'll talk about the observer pattern, and this pattern is one of the most commonly used pattern in real projects. So this pattern is based on the concept of publisher and subscriber. So let's try to understand these terms. Publisher means you can think of publisher as a news publishing house, and you can think of subscriber, so somebody who opt to get the newspaper daily. So let's say there is a publishing house and they are publishing the newspaper daily, and the end user, which you can think of as self, the people who are subscribing to it, so that they can get the daily updates in the form of a newspaper, in form of the hard copy. So every day they are publishing new information, and all the users who are subscribed to their service, they will get the update. Okay, so this is a publisher and they are publishing the information, and these are the observers or the end users or the subscribers which are receiving this information. So these end users need to register to this publishing house, to this publisher, by using the register method. And when they don't want when they don't want any kind of update, they can simply use the unregistered method to remove from the list of the registered users. And this publisher will use the notify method to send the update, to broadcast the updates to all the subscribers. Okay, so whenever the publisher contains some stuff, so whenever that stuff changes, and the observer needs to be notified. Okay, so let's see how we can implement that design pattern by using the Visual Studio, by using our concept of OOPS, by using the classes or using the interface. I hope you are clear. In the observer pattern, there are two things. One is the publisher and second one is the subscriber. Publisher who send out some information, and subscriber who are registered with this publisher will receive this information. Only the registered user will receive this information, and at any point, if the if the subscriber want to leave the publisher, they can call the unregistered method. So this will remove that end user from their list of publishing. Okay, so let's open the Visual Studio. In the Visual Studio, we are having a publisher interface, and this interface is having the three methods. The method for registering the subscriber, method for registering the end users, so they will receive the end user or they will receive the subscriber who want to. End user means that who want to subscribe to their services, not exactly the end user. So might there is a possibility that this subscriber will have some other end users. Okay, so who directly want to avail these services, they will use the register method. Then there is an unregistered method, so wherein if at any point if some subscriber want to leave it, they can call this unregistered method. And then we are having the notify method in my publishing house, in my publisher class. By using this method, it will iterate from the list of all the subscriber and send the update. And in the subscriber, there is only one method, which is the update. So this will receive the update. So in this example, we are having an update method with the int value, and this notify will send the updated integer value to this subscriber. Okay, so these two are the interfaces. And let's say so in this example, we are using a stock market class, and they are publishing some new value, and all the subscriber, let's say there is a Google Gadget app, or there is a MNS browser, or there is some third party which can use this publishing class to receive the update, which can use this stock market class. So let's say I have implemented this stock market class, and it will use the publisher interface. So let's say we are having the list of the all. So we are having an array list, and this array list will contain all the subscribers. Initially the value is 0, and we can use the set value method for any kind of new updates. Okay, So in, let's say the value of the stock is 0 in the morning, and then in the afternoon the value of the stock changes to 100, then we can use this set value method to update the new value. And this is the register method which is used to add the users, which is used to add the subscribers in the array list. Then we are having the unregister method which is used for removing the subscribed users, and then we are having the notify. As I have told, this notify method will iterate over the list of the array list. It will iterate over the list of the subscriber and send them the updated with the new value. The value of the stock is now 100. It will send that 100 value, it will broadcast that 100 value to all the subscriber. Okay, so as you can see, this 100 is going to the subscribers. On the other hand, we are having this end user which is the Google Stock Gadget, and this will implement the subscriber, and subscriber will have only the update method which will be called by your publisher class to send the update. Okay, and how this subscriber will register itself to the publisher. So they are using at this constructor at the time of creating the object of the Google stock gadget. We are registering it. So how we are registering it? We are passing the instance of the stock market class. So this publisher interface subject will hold the this reference for your stock market class, since your stock market class is inheriting from this publisher interface. So here we will, in the stock market, we are having the reference for the stock market objects and the stock market methods, and herein we are calling the register method which is implemented in your stock market class, and this Google stock gadget will register itself using this keyword. Okay, so this means the current. If you not sure about this keyword, you can check the Google on this. Second is the update method, as I've told earlier, and then there is a display method which will be called from your update method to display the value of the latest stock to the end user. Okay. Uh, okay. And then we are having the unsubscribe method. At any point of time this Google Gadget app want to unregister it, they can call stock market unregister method to unregister itself from the list of the from the list of subscriber in the publisher, so that they will not get any kind of update after that. So let's see how we can implement it in the main. So when we'll run a program, how it will implement it. So I will try to debug it and hope you will understand it. Okay, so firstly I will create the instance of my stock market class. Okay, this is creating the instance, and then let's say the latest value of the stock is 0 in the morning. It should not be. And then I'm creating the instance of the Google stock gadget class, and this class will accept the stock market object, and it will register itself. See, it will go to the constructor and it will now call the register method, wherein in this array list it will add the new your subscriber. So you can think of as let's say you want a newspaper, so you call that guy and tell the newspaper guy that okay, I want to register it. So in the similar way, so they are now registering it. Okay. So now let's say the stock value of the stock, so there is an update and the value of the stock is updated to 100, which this stock market need to update to all the publisher. Firstly it will set the value and then it will notify. So currently we are having only one subscriber. You can see that we are having only one subscriber. Okay, it will get the new value and it will display it. So the end user mean, let's say you are using some mobile app, and so on your mobile app you're getting the latest code of 100. And after that, if let's say they want to unregister it, so the Google Gadget class, which is your subscriber, will call the unsubscribe method, which internally will call the stock market.unregister. So they are now removing it. why they have not removed it, I think. Okay, they have now unregistered it. I hope you get an idea of it, so you can use this pattern in your real-time project. And if you are having any kind of update, you can leave your comment in the comment section, and I will surely respond to it. Okay, thank you.